Here we have the current stock market update for MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the 30-minute time frame. Each candle on this time frame represents a 30-minute trading period. And I thought that this specific charting time frame really gave us the best sort of view of what this overall price action looks like at the moment. Clearly, the share price has continued to move lower. And I've just been thinking about some of the people that have left comments for this stock. One in particular, the guy just said something like, we're always seeing the same comments over and over again. This guy is being paid by a hedge fund. Where did you start your short position? Just always do the opposite of what this guy says. Blah blah blah. Same comments again and again. But there was one that sort of stood out to me because he just really appeared just very thankful, and he said, wow, thank God I didn't listen to what you said. Thank God I held on to the position. And, he wasn't even being insulting, which, most of the comments are. And that's honestly okay, by the way. I really don't mind insults. But I would just make one request. Just can you at least come up with new insults? Just not the same thing again and again. I mean, that's all I ask. You can call me an idiot. You can call me any name you want. I just please do it in a different. Well, just don't do it the same way. Don't do it the same way every time. Like, you're boring me. Okay. All right. Just don't bore. I don't care if you insult me. Just don't bore me. Okay. So anyway, as I was saying about this guy. I was just curious, where he is, because I'm sure he's still watching these videos. I'm sure he is, because he was so happy that he held on to his position. And now that we're trading at, below five, I mean, this is with a reverse stock split and everything. We're trading below $5 now. The series of highs here, the sequence of highs just continues to diminish over and over again. It's nothing but downside here. I mean, see how big this arrow is? It's just all negative here. There's no positive. So, this near-term high that I'm looking at here, 938. We retraced through the 78.6% retracement, which then signaled a full price retracement here, which did happen, as we can see here. Okay, that did create a little bit of a double bottom right around 460. We saw a bounce from there into 819, which was positive, and everybody was excited at that point. That might have been when the guy said, "Thank God I didn't listen to you," or something like that. That it might have been around this time, but I'm just having a hard time believing that this was actually a successful trade. I mean, you could try to make the argument that, well, he held on into 819. Well, we're trading at 470 at the moment. So where is this guy? Like, I just want to know how this worked out for you. And if you're still thankful, he was like praising the Lord, praise Jesus. Thank God I didn't listen to you. Look, I don't know. What you do with your money is none of my business. Okay. It really isn't. I don't care what you do with your money. It's your business. It's not my business. But I'm curious how this worked out for this guy. So if he is listening, and I think he probably is, just explain what happened. I just want to know if you're still thankful. Are you still praising Jesus that you held on to the position? How did you manage this thing? Okay, because many people seem to be claiming that they're not losing money here. It's just very hard for me to believe that you're not losing money when the stock chart looks the way that it does. I mean, we're at 15.20 and now we're at, less than $5. I mean, these are huge losses here. And if we just go back in time, it gets worse and worse. It's never better than this. I mean, we can go back to these prior highs. Here we've got almost $40 per share. Let's point that out here, $40. Okay, then you've got this prior high, which came in at about right around 78.20. Okay, I mean, are we seeing a theme here? I mean, that's half of the stock's value right there. You just lost half of your value in, let's see, middle of May to, oh my God, this is the beginning of June. This is like 3 weeks, half of the stock's value. And then it just continues. It just gets worse and worse. It never gets better. So, this is why I opened the members section of the channel. Trading is not easy, and we all have to start somewhere. Believe me, I wasn't born a stock market genius. Okay. It took a lot of experience, a lot of homework, a lot of studying. Okay. A lot of work had to go into this, and then years and years of watching, staring at price charts, looking at earnings reports and things like that. It's extremely boring, but you have to put the work in. And then eventually you learn these things, and it's okay. I don't, I'm not criticizing people for not knowing the market. We've all been there. I've been there myself. But the where the insults start to become valid is when people refuse to accept that, refuse to accept that reality. And this stock is a perfect example. Everybody in the comments section is positive. Everybody that makes videos about this stock on YouTube they're all positive. Why is that? How can that be true if the stock chart looks like this? I mean, am I living in an alternate reality here? Like, am I in the Twilight Zone? Anybody watch that show? Great show. Um, it's like living in an alternate reality here. Leroy, what planet are you living on, Leroy? We're Jeff Colbert, or is it Colbert? I want to know if the T is silent. Are you like Stephen Colbert's brother? He used to be funny back on the Daily Show. Yeah, it was like 900 years ago at this point. He's not funny anymore. Come on, Jeff Colbert, where are you? Tell me about your stock position, Jeff Colbert. Are you making money, or are you losing money? Because it's very hard to make money when the stock is trading at its lows. I mean, where did you buy? Did you buy at $4.02 and now it's trading at $4.70? I mean, is that really what you expect me to believe? Because even if you did that, you would have weathered all of this volatile activity here. You move into these highs and then back down to the low. I mean, even if that were true, like, I'm trying to come up with a scenario here where what you're saying actually makes sense. I'm trying to imagine a reality where what you're saying is actually true. So let's imagine that you're a genius and you bought in at $4 per share. Okay, then it goes to $9.08. I mean, did you close the position at that point, or did you hold it? And now you lost all of those gains because we're trading at $4.70 now. Okay. I don't know what to say to these people. You should consider joining the members section of the channel, even for just a short period of time, just so that you can see what an actual trade looks like, just so that you can see what making money in the market actually looks like. It's not this easy. You can't just listen to some random, person on YouTube with like rap music in the background and then just do whatever they say. It's not, it takes more work than that. You have to do a little bit more work than that. Here's the current market update for MicroCloud HOLOGRAM, stock ticker HOLO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.